Bitcoin is seeing much needed relief thanks to a combination of Federal Reserve policy confirmation and growing speculation of a major US crypto update. Bitcoin hits 2 week highs amid market optimism. On March 20, Bitcoin surged to a 2 week high, fueled by rumors that the US government is preparing a significant update to its crypto policy. Currently consolidating near $86,000, Bitcoin's rise was supported by the Federal Reserve's decision to hold interest rates steady. Fed Chair Jerome Powell confirmed that policymakers expect 2 rate cuts by the end of 2025. He stated that inflation has eased significantly and that there's no rush to adjust policy. This wait-and-see approach helped risk assets recover, with Bitcoin joining US stocks in a rally. The S&P 500 closed 1% higher, adding $500 billion in market cap. Former BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes saw the Fed's stance as bullish for Bitcoin. He suggested that traders should prepare for increased risk-taking. In a post on X, he noted, JPOW delivered QT basically over by April 1. The biggest catalyst, however, might be the US government's potential shift on crypto regulations. Rumors suggest that an official announcement could come as soon as March 21. According to the Kobeissi letter, this would be Trump's first major crypto update since March 6th. Could Trump be changing his crypto strategy? Unconfirmed reports indicate that Trump may introduce a significant update to his crypto strategy. When he signed the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve Executive Order earlier this month, markets remained relatively unfazed. However, with Bitcoin closing above key resistance levels, investor optimism is quickly returning. According to trader and analyst Rec Capital, Bitcoin is just 8% away from reclaiming its previous trading range. This could signal the end of its recent downturn. Will the US crypto policy shift fuel a bigger rally, or will Bitcoin face more resistance ahead? Stay tuned for the latest updates.